So you've got the split fuel filler hose. There's the part number for the hose. Let's go to the car and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've just got an assistant here ripping it off for me, getting it out of the way. Beautiful, look at that. So that's where it goes on the back of the fuel tank there. Thanks, mate. And goes up to the filler pipe there. See where you fill up your vehicle from the top there, the pipe comes down. See this one that splits off there? That one goes to the back fuel tank. So most of the fuel goes down straight into the front fuel tank. Once that's full, then it diverts off the side here into your rear fuel tank. So you got a bit of information there. Just going to give this a bit of a wipe clean and get that new one on. Let's go and have a look at the new fuel hose, see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the new one looks like. Obviously, it's, you know, nice and soft, the way they should be. For whatever stupid reason, they only come with one clamp. That's normal, so you got to recycle the clamp off the other end of the other hose. Let's go and have a look at the condition of the old hose. Okay, so here's the old hose. There's the nice new wheel bearings that are going on as well. Look at those beauties, eh? 6 brand new genuine parts there. Bearings, seals, bolts, hubs, the whole lot. We've got other videos explaining why that's the way to do it. And a quick mention, we're on annual leave until the 12th of July, so if you need any parts like those, please wait till July. We're taking a break. See this fuel filler hose? This hose is rock hard. I can't squeeze it. It's like literally can't squeeze it. But you can see the crack there. There's been a small amount of fuel that wants to sort of, you know, if I go and press it like that, you know, it sort of opens up a bit. Anyway, whatever. That is not the biggest issue. With a petrol, they crack up a bit more and that would break easily. Fuel spills out everywhere. But mainly what happens with these, because they're hard, it just slowly starts weeping out, which usually at this end here, you know. But look, let's see. There's a little bit of softness left to that one at the end, but nothing here. Right, this end. Anyway, let's get the new one on the vehicle. And here's a short video, straight to the point. Slipping the fuel hose on, just a gentle wiggle, you know. You should be able to do this on the ground under the car, but you know, of course it's easier on a hoist. They can be a bit tight, you just need to give it a wiggle and a twist. The clamp is certainly loose enough, but you know, you could probably put lubricant on it, but I wouldn't. There's no need. Just a little bit of persistence and then get this end up around onto there. Thanks, mate. Bit of a wiggle, bit more of a wiggle at this end, bit of a wiggle at that end, bit of a wiggle at this end, bit of a wiggle, 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 wiggle. And we're not the wiggles, but just make sure they're on all the way. Have a good look, make sure they're on all the way. Then nip up those clamps nicely. You can give it a bit of a twist back and forth just to make sure it's sitting happy. And then the job's done. So that's a short one, straight to the point. It's got the part number, it describes the problem, shows you the crack. It's a problem on all the 120 Prados, so replace it. If you got an LC120, if it's an LC150, don't worry about it. We haven't seen them crack yet. Maybe it's different material. Subscribe, turn the bell on, watch our videos. We'll let you know as it happens. This is what we specialize in. Landcruiser 120, 150, Prado, whatever you want to call it, and some other vehicles. Bit of information here or there. Give us a thumbs up if you got something out of that. Subscribe, turn the bell on. We're out of here after we tighten up those clamps anyway. See ya.